Ocean is unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. But we do know that it is essential for life, as it produces over half the oxygen we breathe. It helps regulate climate, and it captures vast amounts of carbon. It provides us with food, energy, jobs, travel, and leisure. Over 80% of international trade in goods is carried by the sea, and our ocean holds energy in abundance, ready to be captured. With the world's second longest coastline, Norway is proud to have been pioneering the ocean for centuries. But we are becoming increasingly aware that ocean health is at risk. Norway has launched an ambitious ocean strategy that involves green technology, digitalization, innovative uses of marine resources, international diplomacy, and the fight against illegal fishing and plastic pollution. With the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as a guideline, Norway has committed to sustainably manage 100% of the ocean area under our national control by 2025. Uncharted waters will have to be explored, and we have to do more than ever before. The Norwegian ocean industry, having pioneered many ocean technologies and designs, is well positioned to take a leading role. Let us embark on a journey into an ocean of sustainable solutions to some of our time's most pressing global challenges. Join us in our quest to continue pioneering the ocean. From the very beginning, we have used technology to expand our reach. From humble beginnings and travel on the surface of the ocean, we have expanded deeper and deeper. When Norway first discovered oil in the North Sea in 1969, we knew very little about the petroleum industry. But thanks to centuries of living with the ocean, and experience of shipping, shipbuilding, and managing natural resources, we learned how to produce oil and gas in a responsible manner. Our most experienced oil and gas companies are at the forefront of developing emission-reducing technology.
The subsea installation around us replicates the famous Østfold oil and gas field, one of the largest developments on the Norwegian continental shelf in the North Sea. The Elin snake robots are busy doing inspections, maintenance and repairs autonomously. With no physical connection to their operator, the Hugin Endurance is surveilling the pipelines and mapping the seabed by capturing remarkable three-dimensional images, utilizing advanced sonar technology. The pipelines will transport CO2 gas captured on land to the enormous Longship carbon capture and subsea storage project. Developing cost-efficient carbon capture and storage solutions is vital for the world to meet the Paris goals to limit global warming.
The ocean surface covers 70% of our planet, and we have been using it for thousands of years. Today, only 5% of global food consumption comes from the ocean. This share must be increased if we are to reach our global goal of feeding the increasing world population. Norwegian exports of seafood are increasing year by year. They include seafood from innovative fish farms, as well as seafood from traditional fisheries, and both are produced sustainably. As the pressure on our ocean steadily increases, humanity is in a race to develop technologies that can sustain the increased food production, transportation of goods, and production of energy without a negative impact on our planet. The only way to win this race is by working together. Norway has built a successful model, a large-scale
House Blue meets these demands. Offshore wind is beneficial due to the strong winds that occur at sea. Harvesting offshore wind generates renewable electric power and is an important contribution in transforming to a greener energy mix. The hull skater proactively cleans the hull from biofouling, reducing fuel consumption and thus emissions, contributing to operational effectiveness for the ship. International trade is transported by sea. The car you ride, the shoes you wear, and the mobile phone you carry have all most likely been transported by ships. Shipping is the most energy efficient and environmentally friendly mode of transport program.
Is truly the blue planet. Our senses have expanded to space, and we are increasingly monitoring our planet, minute by minute, in ever more high-resolution imagery transferred to a wide network of ground stations.
We are especially looking at ways to use ocean monitoring from space as a way to detect pollution, oil spill.
Keeping submarine areas fully protected from exploitative activities can rebuild and safeguard biodiversity. Can we protect 30% of the ocean by 2030? Is it possible that our time is the first time in history that the world as we know it depends for its survival not on extraordinary individuals, but on the extraordinariness of us all?
Sourcing minerals on the seabed is difficult and expensive, but holds an attractive prospect due to high concentrations of valuable minerals. Huge unmanned CO2 or water could be available in the near future.
The need for strong and transparent governance is crucial for carbon capture and storage. These are but a few of the vast ocean of opportunities that lie in our ocean. On a global scale, we can and we must produce more from the ocean. And we have to do it in ways that mitigate climate change, preserve biodiversity, regenerate ocean health, and leave no one behind. We can produce more by protecting more. Technology is key, and Norway is, and will continue to be, an important part of the solutions for the future.
Floating solar is a smart way of harvesting solar power while freeing up land areas. Offshore wind electricity has the potential to surpass the energy supplied by offshore oil in 2050. Creating green hydrogen and green ammonia from renewable energy sources is yet another area of focus for Norway. This will further contribute in mitigating emissions within shipping and industrial applications. The ocean's ability to sustainably produce food is vastly underrated. In fact, it's estimated that the ocean could produce up to 6 times more food than it does today, and it could do so with a low environmental footprint. Norway is already exporting technology, solutions, and know-how. With the Green Shipping Programme, we're aiming to develop and strengthen Norway's goal to establish the world's most efficient and environmentally friendly shipping.
Pioneering the transformation, invite you to become an ocean pioneer.